Hello and welcome to day 2 of the Miami Yacht Show. Notice I said Miami Yacht Show. There are 2 shows going on here in Miami. One here at downtown Miami and then one down at Virginia Key, Miami International Boat Show. A lot to see, a lot of debuts, a lot of really cool things happening in the boating industry.
Coming to you from the Miami Yacht Show.
Hello everybody, my name is Spencer Tranum. I'm Program Director at Boston Whaler.
Miami International Boat Show, where you never know exactly what's going to happen. We're having a blast.
The 35 outrage.
You can see we're standing by the Galleon 470 Sky.
Happy Valentine's Day.